In the shadow of the Wye Valley, where glaciers carved secrets into the earth 10,000 years ago, lies Cors y Llyn. Once a shimmering lake, now a living tapestry of bog and fen. Whisper of wild Wales, untouched and eternal. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. These trees, they're older than my gran, but no taller than me. She follows the boardwalk, elevated over spongy peat that quivers underfoot. Sphagnum moss glows in shades of emerald and crimson. Dragonfly darts past. Distance, open water mirrors the sky, fringed with reeds. Here, spring awakens with cuckoo flowers and butterflies, ringlets dancing on heather, hums with bees in the herb-rich meadow. Autumn's bronze bog asphodel tells stories of resilience. But tread lightly, this is no ordinary wood. It's a mire of miracles where water seeps from the past. Thank you for sharing your secrets, old bog. Cors y Llyn, where the wild heart of Wales beats on. Come, but leave only footprints.